This type of AI videos are becoming very viral these days, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, we need to go to novoads.ai. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section, and actually you can try it for just $1. And once you have created the account, you will arrive here. Here we need to go to the image section and click in settings. Now in settings, we're going to use the following image settings that you can just copy. Now here where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. And actually you can modify it as you want, because as you can see, it's a very simple prompt. So now let's click here. And now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect, here we have the result. So now we have to choose the image we like the most. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to download this image. Now we have to go to the video section. And here we need to go to settings. Now in model, we're going to use Sedance 2.0 Mini because it's a very good model and it's very cheap. And now we have to click here and upload the image that we download. So let's click here. Down here where it says write your prompt, we're going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section as well. And now let's click here. Now click in generate. And now before showing you the result, I want to tell you that this video had a cost of only 2.1 credits. With the $1 offer, you will receive 10 credits to try the platform. So you could do like 5 videos like this one for just $1. So well, now let's wait for the video. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
Don't cry, you're going to be a garden.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. So well, if you want to do videos like this one, remember that the prompts are going to be in the comment section. You can modify it as you want, and you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.